In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change a blog post publication date on Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log into your Squarespace 7.0 site and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you manage the main areas of your website. From here, click on Pages. This will open the list of pages and collections connected to your site, including your blog. Next, find and select your blog section. Once you open it, you will see the blog items listed in the left panel. This is where you can access individual posts and adjust their settings. Take a moment to locate the specific blog post whose publication date you want to change. Be sure you are choosing the correct post, especially if you have several posts with similar titles. When you find the right blog post, move your cursor over that blog overview post item in the left panel. As you hover over it, additional options will appear. Click Settings to open the Post Settings panel. This area contains details related to that specific blog post, including its publishing information. After the Settings panel opens, select the option shown there to continue into the post details. In this section, look for the Published Status indicator. Right next to it, you will see a clickable date or time link. Click directly on the date or time that is currently displayed. This is the part that allows you to update when the post appears to have been published. A calendar pop-up will appear, or you may be able to type in a new time depending on what you are changing. Choose the new day you want from the calendar, or enter the updated time manually. This is useful if you need to correct an older post, reschedule a post to better match your content timeline, or simply keep your blog organized in the way you want. Once the new publication date or time is set, go to the bottom right corner of the panel and click Save. This confirms your change and updates the blog post with the new publishing information. After saving, it is a good idea to quickly review the post to make sure the updated date appears as expected. That way, you can confirm everything was applied correctly. That covers everything you need to know.